lovely morning to my little chums. How are you all? Happy? Good. I'm also good and happy, beta. And I hope you all are safe and happy at your places. Dear kids, as you know, we are dealing with chapter 1 numbers of our mathematics book, and we have covered all the numbers till 999. So today we are going to read, understand and evaluate numbers beyond 999 with one of the most important tool of mathematics, which is known as abacus. Along with it, we will study about periods and places of numbers, how periods and places are connected to each other and how they differ from one another. So, are you all ready? Okay, then let's begin with the book. Dear students, before going to the book, I want to share some additional information with you all. As I've told you, our today's topic is numbers beyond 999. So, which is the largest three-digit number? The largest three-digit number is 999, means 999. What happens when we add 1 in it? What happens if we will add 1 in it? So, let's do it. 9 plus 1 will become 10. 0 will come here, 1 will be carry. Again 9 plus 1 will be 10, 0 will come here and 1 will be carry. Again 9 plus 10, 9 plus 1 will be 10, so 10 will come here. So by adding 1 in the largest three-digit number, which is 999, we got 1000, and 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. So by adding 1 in the largest three-digit number, we get the smallest four-digit number, which is 1000. Now this is the tool abacus, on which we will get to know how to represent number. Representation of the numbers on abacus. As you can see, beta, there are four columns: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, because now we will study numbers beyond hundreds and after hundreds. In the place value system, thousands comes, so I have added 1000 here. Now we get 1000 as the smallest four-digit number. If I want to represent the same number on this abacus tool, how I will represent? First I need to check what is the digit at ones place. 0. So I will not do anything on it. Now at tens, again it is 0. So again I will not do anything on it. On the hundreds place, again it is 0. So I will not do anything here again. And at thousands place, 1 is there. So I will make one bead over there. So by looking at this tool, I can write the number. One bead is there, so I will write 1 here. No bead is there, so I will write 0. Here also 0 and here also 0. In this manner, I have represented 1000 on abacus. Now, if I want to represent 2937 on the abacus, so how I will do it? Please beta, pay attention. Now here again I will write the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So see which number is at ones place? 7. So here I will draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now at tens place 3 is there. So I will draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Now at hundreds place 9 is there. So I will draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now at thousands place 2 is there. So I will draw 2 beads. 1 and 2. Now beta, by looking at the tool only, you can write numbers by counting beads. Now at ones place 7 beads are there. So here I will write 7. Now at tens place 3 beads are there. So I will write 3. Now here at hundreds place 9 beads are there. So I will write 9. And here 2 beads are there. So I will write 2. That means I have represented 2937 on the abacus tool. Now beta, our today's next topic is places and periods. For the places, I know you're familiar. Places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are places. What about periods? As beta, we are also having heads in our family. Parents are head of children and grandparents are head of our parents also. So in the same manner, periods are head of places and they get separated by putting commas. How we can separate one period from another? By putting commas only. Now I'll explain you how we can do this. See, here I have written places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. What are these? These are places. And these places are divided into two periods which are ones and thousands. Like ones, tens and hundreds. They three come in ones period. Means ones is the head of ones, tens and hundreds. That's why ones is the period of ones, tens and hundreds. In the same manner, thousands and 10,000s have thousands as their period. Means thousand is the head of thousands and 10,000s. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, these are places, and ones and thousands, these are our periods. Now how we can separate the periods? See, if I have written a number 5679. So this place is ones, this is tens, this is hundred and this is thousand. Now we know ones, tens and hundred. These three places comes in one period which is ones. But this thousand comes in another period which is thousand. So we will put one comma after one period. This thing beta you need to keep in your mind while putting commas, that we always put a comma after completing a period. Like here we have completed one period, ones, tens, hundred. After that we have put a comma where next period was begin. Now students, our activity 2 is based on the same topic which we are studying today. Numbers beyond 999. See what question number 1 is saying. Read the abacus and write the number. First one is done for you. Here beads are given over there. Places are also written. You need to identify the number. See, here at one's place only one bead was there. So we have written 1 only. At tens place no bead is there. Whensoever no bead is there, we write 0. At hundreds place 3 beads were there. So we write 3. And at thousands place 2 beads were there. So we have written 2. And by writing all the numbers, we got our number which is 2301. Same pattern we will follow in next. Now please tell me how many beads are there at one's place? Yes, no. So it will be 0. Now how many beads are there on tens place? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 beads are there at tens place. So we will write 5. Now how many beads are there at hundreds place? Yes, correct. 1 bead. And how many beads are there at thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. So here we got our number, which is 4150. In the same manner, we will do C part. First of all, check how many beads are there at ones place. 3. So we will write 3 at ones place. Now how many beads are there at tens place? 1. So we will write 1 at tens place. Now how many beads are there at hundreds place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 at hundreds place. Now how many beads are there at thousands place? 3. So we will write 3 here. And hence we got our number, which is 3513. Now students, you will do these 3 parts on your own by following the same method. Now next question is complete the table. Again in this table 2 columns are there. In one column numbers are written and in another column number names are written. So where number name is not written, we need to write the name of the number, and where number is not written, we need to write the number of the number's name. Like in first column, both the things are done for you. The number is 4083 and it is written in words also. 4083. Now in next, the number name is written. You need to identify the number. For writing the number, first we will make the places. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So 91, 1 is at ones place, so we will write 1 here. Now 90, 90, that means 9 is at tens place, so we will write 9. Now 200, that means 2 is at hundreds place, so we will write 2. And now 6000, 6 is at thousands place, so we will write 6. Now students, we know that we need to put comma after completing one period. So let's check where we have completed one period. Ones, tens, hundred. These 3 places comes in one period. So we will put comma after these 3 places here. So the number is 6291. Now in next number is written 7458. We need to write it in words. So let's write it. Students, as you can see, I have written here 7458. So in the same manner, you will do these left 2 parts. So your homework is to complete activity 2 in your book. Thank you so much. Have a cheerful day.